Hi, welcome to or back to my channel. My name's Hannah if you're new here. Nice to meet you. Isn't it a great day? It's a nice sunny day here in Maine, and I've got a very exciting video planned. I actually went to the Salvation Army a couple days ago and Goodwill, but I got more stuff at Salvation Army and I'm gonna try it on for you. Mostly it's pants, but like spring pants. Actually, I've got a couple skirts too and a dress. I did pick up some books, but that's besides the point. I did, side note, just get my Target package in the mail, and I'm really excited, so let's do a little unhaul. Let's do a little unboxing, even though it's not a box. If you saw my Target vlog, I don't know, try on haul a couple weeks ago, who knows when that actually was. I got these fitted rib shirts from Target, and I love them so much that I bought more. I'm really into a white shirt right now, especially since summer's coming up. I just think that like minimal white t-shirt and anything, so good. I also picked it up in black. You can't go wrong with black. Then I got this like boxy white crop top. I like the length of these because it goes past your belly button, but it still is like kind of a crop shirt. Yeah, like I said, really into white shirts right now. Also wearing a white shirt. How many more will I buy? Picked up some underwear. And it was like, if you spend $25, you get a $5 gift card, and I needed some more mascara. I picked up the telescopic. You know, that's an OG, that's a classic. Everyone needs one of these in their arsenal at all times. Then I wanted to try the Skin Renewing Night Cream by CeraVe. It looks good, it's a peptide complex, maybe a little heavier for nighttime. I think I'm gonna go ahead and try the shirt on. Let me change out of one shirt into the other. Perfect. One thing I love about living in a town that has a Target is if I didn't like the shirt, I could just bring it to Target and return it. I don't even have to mail it back, which isn't always a luxury for everyone. So the shirt was only like 10 bucks, and I think I'll wear it a lot this summer, just so you know this is how it fits. Nice little cropped, like here's my belly button, and it goes like right past my belly button, so perfect. I cannot wait to wear this. I guess I'll go ahead and take these off. I don't know what it is about the white t-shirts though. I think I just saw like 2 people wearing them and I'm like, you can literally wear that shirt with everything. Why don't I get a million different white shirts? Now let's get to the real point of this video, the try on haul. I'm wearing my first item, and this is honestly my favorite pick that I got. Lately, I've been just craving like long maxi skirts, and since I am like 5'10", it's hard to find a long skirt that's actually not a capri length skirt, not like a midi skirt. So I was really excited when I found this. It was only, I think, $5, $4 at the Salvation Army, and the tag is literally still on it. It's from Macy's and it retailed for like 58 bucks. Gotta say, I really feel like this one was a steal. I am going on a trip later this month, and I think I'm gonna pack this. I really think it could be cute casually, like with sneakers, or like if you dressed it up with like some sandals or a kitten heel, something like that. The only thing I wish it had was maybe a slit in it, and I'm tempted to attempt to make a slit in it, but I feel like I might ruin it if I do that, so I don't know. It is like an elastic waistline, which I love. And then, you know, I could tuck something in if I wanted. I could wear it down lower if I was feeling it. A little low-waisted moment. But yeah, I think it's really cute. Fits super well. I probably should have saved it till last because it's literally my favorite thing that I bought the other day. All right, on to the next. Next item, we're sticking along with kind of the low-waisted trend. These jeans that I've got on were the perfect size for me, and they were longs, so I really couldn't resist them. The funniest thing about them is when I tried them on, I noticed that someone had hemmed them before, and I was like, oh yeah, that's how you know they're gonna be good long jeans. The only downside about them is they do have like kind of a grass stain or some sort of stain on them that I'm gonna have to wash out. It's giving like 90s low-waisted cuteness. I kind of like this cropped shirt with it because it's slightly cropped where you still see like a little bit of skin. They are a tad bit big, but really they're super comfy. I feel like I could last all day in these. The only thing, the problem with low-waisted jeans is that I might bend down for a second, like my crack is probably showing right now. You know what I mean? So I may have to wear a belt with these, but besides that, I feel like they're really cute. You just gotta know how to dress them up right. Also feel like nothing better to wear with a pair of jeans than a white t-shirt. I'm trying to convince you to buy more white t-shirts, okay? Now let's try on another skirt. Next item is a tad bit big, so bear with me here. Classic red denim-y cotton skirt, okay? It's not really like high-waisted. It's kind of big. I wish I could maybe tailor it to be more high-waisted, but like I said, it is a tad bit big. The length is perfect if it was high-waisted. I think it's supposed to fit more mid to low, and this length is a little goofy. I'm feeling weird wearing it like this. So I'm thinking about taking it in, like just hemming it a little bit, and I feel like it could be cuter. Also, maybe just need to wear a belt. I'm kind of feeling like red is another color of the summer. Red with white, it just feels so classic. Maybe it feels a little cowboy to me too. Like if I had red boots to go with this outfit, might be unstoppable. I could quite literally be unstoppable. My confidence would be like up to here. I do have red boots, but they're not the cute kind, so need to figure that one out somehow. It could look really cute with cowboy boots though, in general. Not necessarily red ones. But I do love this combo. I feel like it needs to be hemmed to be like a cute length for someone my age. Could hem it twice, but then it's like getting a little iffy whenever you sit down. So I'm not quite sure what I want to do about it. But I thought it was cute, and I like this color red so much that I actually have another red skirt. Red skirt number 2. This one is more of a tennis skirt. It's got the shorts underneath, which is love that. And it's also got more of like a waterproof, wind resistant type material to it. It's super stretchy, high-waisted, fits like a glove. So I will probably wear this to like golf or play tennis in, but also I feel like you could dress it up though. You let me know, do you like this one better or the last one? This one is so comfy though. Like I could do the splits, you know, little high kick action. It's got the shorts underneath, so super modest. Got some good pockets on it. Side pockets, back pockets. Yet again with a white shirt, this outfit's unstoppable. Like I said though, I feel like you could dress this up easily. It's got this nice elastic band to it, but it has the belt loops in case you're wanting to wear a belt with it. I can't imagine wanting to wear a belt. I feel like it's a deeper red than the last skirt. I'm buying way too many tennis skirts right now. I'm really upping my tennis skirt inventory, which I love a good tennis skirt. You can't go wrong. They're so comfy, they're cute. They just make you feel cuter, you know what I'm saying? Next I have a dress, so let me go put that one on real quick. Alright, kind of like a weird pull for me because I don't usually look at dresses at thrift stores. This was also a large, but it has this tie on it in the back that can make it tighter. It really didn't look like a large to me either, so that's why I was so confused. I feel like it's a really great summer kind of little black dress. It's casual in a way. Yet again, you could dress it up. It's got the really comfy, stretchy material to it. Right now I'm wearing like little kitten heels with it, but I feel like I could get away with wearing like some sneakers and maybe some quarter socks and make it kind of like street stylish. I don't know, you let me know. Like literally let me know how this was a large. It's so cute. It's like the perfect length too. It's got a little tie in the back. It's so comfy. It's super flattering. I think it was like $4 as well. I'm really in my balling on a budget era. Next, last clothing item. I'm gonna go change right now, and then I've got a few small little things to show you. All right, next item, last clothing item, goes along the line of the trouser trend that we've seen like in the last couple years. I always look at the trousers whenever I'm in Goodwill just to see if they have a good pair of like oversized ones. The problem with pants in general with me is that they're never long enough. So whenever I saw these, I was like, okay, I'll give them a try. They are a tad bit big on me, so it kind of makes them like a low-rise type trend. I've also got the Target white shirt on just so you can see what it looks like if you're interested. These are my favorite, like I said. I don't want to spend the money on Skims, even though I love Skim shirts. This was $6, whereas a Skim shirt is like $46. So, like I said, balling on a budget right now. I think they're super cute. They're definitely supposed to be more high-waisted because the crotch, you know, starts right here. But they are big on me. Like, if I just let them fall, it's kind of like the low-rise trend. It kind of shows just a tad bit of skin on the bottom, which is super cute, and it makes them long. I feel like I could also let the hem out in these, and that would be cute. Overall, not a bad deal. These were $5. Got a little bit of elastic in the back. Got these kitten heels on, so it makes it kind of like a cute, chic, street style type look. I do wish they maybe were a tad bit tighter, just so they could fit perfectly. I like the pleats, even though I used to actually despise pleats. Overall, they're super comfy, nice and flowy, a little bit heavy for my liking, so not super breathable. They look good. Okay, last few things I want to share. Since I'm a reader, I always have this urge to go just buy books from Target or Walmart, but I don't necessarily need to buy like physical copies of books because I do have a library card and like the apps that let you rent library books. Whenever I'm at a thrift store, I love to look at the books, and I got some good ones this time. So this one was like, I think this was $2. I've seen this one everywhere. I think it's a mystery, but it's The Last Thing He Told Me by Laura Dave. This was in super good condition, maybe even read once, but like it's a hardcover. It seems like a really good book. I've seen good things. It's also part of Reese Witherspoon's book club, so that means, you know, it'll probably be turned into a movie at some point. Next thing I got, I don't know, this is kind of a weird pull, but I got The Lord of the Flies. Everyone reads this in school, I don't know, like in middle school or something. And I've heard a lot of people randomly talking about it lately, and I don't quite like remember the whole thing. I think I had to read this for like AP, like pre-AP, like it was a summer book before school started. And I don't know that I actually read all of it. I probably did like the spark notes of it. If you know, you know. I'm curious, I wanted to give it a read, so I bought a copy. This was literally 60 cents, and it's in really good condition. I guarantee you this was a book that it was for someone's like summer reading. Their mom wanted to get rid of it. Last thing I actually got from Goodwill, and I've read this book. It's The Beach Read by Emily Henry, but I listened to it on audiobook. This was $1 at Goodwill, but rightly so because it's kind of in terrible condition. I've been wanting to reread it, so I thought this would be good whenever I get that itch to actually break it open and read it. Plus, Emily Henry just came out with a new book, and I do own Book Lovers by her, so just another Emily Henry to add to my collection. Plus, the pages are good. They don't have any writing on them. Only thing is like the spine's kind of crooked. Like you could tell someone definitely bent this thing up. That's it for my little mini haul. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope that you made it to the end and that you'll go check out some of my other hauls because trust me, I've got so many of them. I think I actually have a whole playlist full of hauls at this point. But this is kind of like my spring, summer, going into summer haul. I'm going on a trip at the end of May, so that's why I'm buying so much pants because I'm going somewhere where it's not like super hot. I actually don't know what the climate is. I'm kind of confused. I'm going to Scotland. If you've got any tips, let me know, or how to dress in Scotland for the end of May type weather because I'm really quite clueless. Anyways, that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Thank you. Bye.